Eritrea is one of the front-line countries for desert locust breedings. The country has two breeding areas of desert locusts. The winter breeding area is located along the coast of the Red Sea, and the summer breeding area covers some parts of the western lowlands. In the months of November 2019, many locust swarms migrated from Ethiopia and arrived in southern region and northern Red Sea region of Eritrea. The locust swarms that migrated to the northern Red Sea region were found to be desert locusts. However, those that attacked the southern region were mostly tree locusts. Eritrea, in both the regions, mobilized the general public and the military under the coordination of the Ministry of Agriculture and the regional administration offices to combat the huge locust swarms. As a result of this extraordinary commitment, Eritrea saved its crop and rangeland with almost no or very insignificant damage. Thanks to the coordinated effort made in satisfactory supply of effective pesticides, the swarms put under control in less than a week. However, there is still a probability of locust swarms coming from Ethiopia. For this reason, the government of Eritrea is closely surveying and monitoring the potential infestation areas. Moreover, Eritrea is conducting the routine surveillance and control operations around its eastern coasts under the team "We Fly More Than the Locusts Do."